This is a product my husband bought for our home garden, and it's an automatic drip irrigation kit with a timer. It's designed to connect directly to a water source and distribute water through tubing and adjustable nozzles. The droppers can bend 360 degrees, which makes it easy to direct water exactly where you want it to go. What's especially helpful is the automatic timer. Instead of remembering to water every day, you can set a schedule and let the system handle it. That's been really convenient during hotter weeks or when we're busy or out of town. The copper atomizing nozzles are adjustable, so you can just control how much water each plant receives. That flexibility is nice if you're watering a mix of flowers, vegetables, or lawn areas. For us, it's been about creating a more consistent watering routine without the extra effort. If you're looking to simplify garden maintenance and want a more hands-off watering system, this is a really practical option to consider and one that has just been a game changer for us this season. We always struggled during the hotter months to be consistent, and this is just amazing. Definitely recommend.